With the Backup and Restore utility, you can save a backup copy of the system configuration, restore from the backup, and revert to earlier versions. The utility also lets you change the server name within the system. You can launch the Backup and Restore utility from either the system tray or the Start menu. Select a server within the Axon domain to use its configuration. Then enter your username and password. Once the utility loads, its main page appears with the options to revert, backup, restore, or rename. A new restore point is created when you click the Apply button after changing the configuration. The revert operation returns the configuration to a pre-saved restore point. You can choose an appropriate restore point from the list containing the time of creation and the description of changes for each point. Click the Next button. You'll then see a message confirming a successful revert in the pop-up window. The backup function creates and saves copies of the license key file, the domain structure, all objects created within the configuration, their parameters and links along with change logs, as well as the database where users, groups, passwords, and layouts are stored. Click the Next button. You can either save a backup configuration copy to the default folder or press Browse to specify another path. Next, let's select servers to include their configurations into the backup copy. You can select multiple servers. To select all servers, click the Select All button. Click the Next button. A pop-up window appears to inform you that the backup was successful. Each backup copy is saved into a different folder. The folder name contains the date and time of the backup copy. The time is set to the UTC+0 time zone. Let's proceed to the Restore menu position. Important: configuration recovery is not guaranteed if the backup was created in a different version, including the build number. Select a file containing a previous configuration. Upon opening the file, the servers of the current domain appear in the corresponding field. The server can only be selected if it belongs to the domain, and its configuration is present in the open file. Click the Next button to start the restoring process. Now, let's take a look at the Rename menu option. You need this option if your computer's NetBIOS name has been changed. Connect to the server to be renamed. Specify the new name. Important: after this command is completed, the server is excluded from the Axon domain. You lose access to recorded footage, and all custom layouts, maps, automatic rules, and macros are deleted. We have now mastered working with the Backup and Restore utility.